Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are checking out the Caprock Rooftop Platform Rack from Thule. The Caprock is Thule's sleek new platform rack that's ready for adventure. It features a low-profile design that reduces noise and drag for less fuel consumption compared to other platform racks. It is offered in 7 different sizes, including 2 truck bed specific sizes. The Caprock featured in this video is the small size, which measures 59 inches long by 52.4 inches wide. The Caprock has a load capacity of up to 300 pounds depending on which mounting configuration and vehicle the rack is mounted to. For our installation, we have mounted the Caprock using the crossbar kit adapter, which is sold separately of the platform. This kit includes a lock set with keys to lock the platform to your existing crossbars. It is also possible to direct mount the Caprock using any of Thule's feet, excluding the Evo clamp foot pack. One characteristic of the Caprock that immediately stood out to us was the profile of the platform vaguely resembles the shape of Thule's wing bar Evo, a bit of a thicker section at the front that breaks up the air, with a tapered off rear section surely has to be where the aerodynamic improvements are made compared to other racks on the market. Available for purchase separately is the Caprock Rail Kit, which provides a support around the perimeter of the platform, great for securing items that aren't permanently mounted, such as coolers or storage boxes for camping. The Caprock is compatible with most T-slot mounted rooftop accessories, making this platform much more versatile than other platform racks, some of which use proprietary channel mount hardware or carriage bolts. Here we have mounted the Thule upright rooftop bike carrier and Thule Hullaport Aero kayak rack to show a few of the many ways this rack can be used. Overall, we are super impressed with the Thule Caprock. It offers a lot of what we find our customers are looking for, with lots of size options, which means there's bound to be a Caprock that suits your vehicle. If you have any questions on the Caprock, leave us a comment below or reach out to us directly using the contact info at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.